Okay, let's continue. Okay, let's continue. And we can run the command again because I re-imported the machine. So the IP address has been changed. Oh, not this one. So the port number. Oh, it's disconnected. So I think we need to wait one or 2 minutes to go on. So this is I don't like this machine very much because of this reason. We need to re-import, we need to reconnect. Some sorts of that issues, will cost us a lot of time. But anyway, we can practice the machine if you have enough time, okay? So let me prepare all commands which are going to be executed. Connection refused. Okay, it's working. Now we can run this. Oh, run the command and run the nmap scanning. It's open to and then we can run this command to upload the Alpine image. It's done. Then we can copy the second line. Hopefully this time we can get our privilege escalated. Hopefully. If not, I will give up. But earlier I did the machine. I was successful to get our privilege escalated. The ID, as you can see now, we have already become the root user. Okay, so that's pretty much it. I'd like to see you in the next one. Bye. Please, which type of surface is running on the target on this port number. And last one is 10,001. Similarly, the map cannot give us the exact information. So don't worry, maybe we can manually enumerate such port number to get much more clear information. So what we are going to do next, I think it's obvious that we need to target the HTTP surface next, because I don't think we can find any vector from other port number at this moment. So I'd like to begin with enumerating the port number 80. Let's open up our browser and put the IP address of the target into the address bar. Press enter and curiosity search, and you find a brief answer. So we can download the picture to our working directory on the Kali Linux, and then you can use some sort of the image analysis techniques and utilities to analyze. However, nothing we can get from these pictures. To save time, I will not go through this process. I do not want to waste your time. And we can check its source code. Nothing important here. And also we can check whether this site has a robots file. Not found, which is fine. Next, we can use Ligto to do the automatic enumeration to see whether we can find some interesting information from the Ligto and give us the images directly. Of course, in the meantime, we can access this directory. There's so many, there's a bunch of pictures, but I don't think we can find anything important from all of the pictures. Okay, so now we go back to nothing else we can get from the Nigto. Next, we can use GoBuster to do the directory enumeration, and we can put the IP address of the target into the address bar, and GoBuster and the directory. We can specify the extension option, something like that, and immediately GoBuster has discovered the documents directory, and then we can access. Of course, we need to access these directories, documents. There are, I think, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 XLS of file or documents, and we can download all of them to the Kali Linux. And now we can maybe, of course, GoBuster, I think, GoBuster cannot discover more directories or files beyond this directory. So I'd like to interrupt it here. Next, let's move the Excel documents from the downloads directory. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just 4? Interesting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Should it be 5? Why? So I can move from downloads. Okay, info. Okay. So all Excel documents has been moved into our working directory. And the Linux cannot open the XLS document or XLSX document. You can transfer them to the Windows to view. Maybe I'm not going to do that this way. I'd like to use the online viewer. For example, we can upload the documents, and you can view the content of such a file. So here, very interesting, like info tank status. At this moment, we don't know what it means, and I think it should be like the number or the serious number and the informations. And also we can, maybe I can copy and paste in here, and we can go back and upload other files. For example, this one. We can view. Why? Preview are not available, which is fine. Okay, of course, maybe, this one is not available for us to viewing. Okay, which is fine. I'd like to tell you, so I think from the file name, we can tell that this target, some sorts of application, has something related to like the vehicle fuel, the gasoline tank, right? Okay, maybe we need to keep this information in our minds as we move forward, okay? So I think we have already done almost everything what we can with the HTTP service. Let's move on to another port number. I don't think we can find anything from POP3 and IMAP surface. So let's move to the 5355. let me okay. So 5355. Also, we can use the Q to see whether we can access this surface, this port number via HTTP protocol. Okay, I don't think we can. And the next one is similarly we can access the a last port number, so the empty reply from server. So the last port number deserves our furthermore, try and testing. Actually, because the map cannot know its surface information, maybe we can use the Google, for example, the TCP port number, and used for nothing interesting. Also, we know this from the document name. We can know that maybe this application has something related to the tank or fuel. Okay, and here, as you can see over here, the gas. So maybe this, this is the port number, the fuel tank inventory levels. So maybe this port number is used by this one, ATG access. Okay, so what is network port number? Internet of a gas station. Let's open up this link. So the automatic tank gauges. Actually, the Metasploit has module for this application, the TCP and port number. What's affected? So maybe we can launch our Metasploit console to see we can find the module for this ATG, right? We can search ATG. And now I think there is one. So we can copy this module. And we can show options. We need to set remote host to our target. And port number, we just leave it as it is. And tank name, tank number. So maybe this one is the, go back. So this one, oh, not this one, the tank. So we can upload this one. The info. We can view. So this is the tank number or what? Whatever. So now we can set also the auxiliary action. Set the action. The alarm dialog version. We want to know the version. And then we can run it. As you can see, give us this one, TOS 350. Maybe this is some sort of the device version, right? And then we can use Google to make some search. And you can get the document. As you can see, this one, this one we can run the command. From here, I think the command is very familiar. Just now, as you can see here, so very familiar, right? Very similar. And so here, so maybe this is the commands available, which provide us to, to display something like sensors, like delivery. Okay, let me try. So now I think we do not need to use this one. We can exit. And of course, also how to run the command. Just I said it at the very beginning. This is the first time I meet such a scenario. Very unfamiliar. And even, you can make some search through Google. So before we run any command, we need to put the control and plus A and followed by the command. Let's run it. For example, we can connect to the target. Press enter. But nothing return, right? Control A. So we can run the command. For example, this one we can copy. As you can see, we got the inventory. Maybe we can run the second command. So we get the delivery report. Super. Next, we can run this command. So status link. And you can try one by one. But this one, we can copy. Okay. As you can see now, the collection is automatically broken. So we need to wait about 1 minute or 1.5 minutes and then we can go on. Okay. So I just pause the video. Now we can connect again and run this command. This command give us the error information, and we can follow in the end. If you run the map against the target this time, you can find another port number is open. Then we can use this, to connect to. As you can see, we got the shell. And because the collection will be broken regularly after maybe 1 or 2 minutes, so we need to do it quickly. And for example, we can run the ID. As you can see, this user belong to the LXD. So then we can utilize this membership to elevate our privilege. So how to do? We can already prepare this command. And now we can run. Of course, we can need to upload this script. Okay, as you can see, the collection is broken, and we can use the search sprite and search for the privilege escalation vulnerability for this one, and you can download. Oh, not this one. Sorry, it's XD, and you can copy this shell script to the working directory, and I rename to this priv sh. And next we need to upload. Of course, in order to do that, you need to set up the web server on the Kali Linux, and then we can upload this, this shell script, and then we can, follow I think what the script is doing, just like this one. For example, you can do. Sometimes we can do this manually, right? However, because the collection will be broken automatically or regularly, maybe the shell script will help us in this case very much. Okay, so this is why in other videos, when I tried to elevate our privilege by the membership of the LXD, I always do it manually. But in this case, the shell script, the automatic shell script would be much more helpful. Okay, just now we have already uploaded this file. Next, we need to run 2 commands to elevate our privilege. And now we need to see whether the collection is ready. And we can copy the command. No problem. And then we can run the map again. The port number is open and connect, and then we can run this command. And then we can run the last command to elevate our privilege. It's working, I think, because have been added to this priv. You know, the Alpine inappropriate CTL. Interesting. Why? Why? Maybe we need to wait another minute to go on, but I need to check. So I think I'm doing this properly, right? Maybe I can copy the command again. So let me do it again. Maybe I need to restart the target machine. So see you there. Okay, let's continue. And we can run the command again because I re-imported the machine. So the IP address has been changed. Oh, not this one. So the port number. Oh, it's disconnected. So I think we need to wait one or 2 minutes to go on. So this is I don't like this machine very much because of this reason. We need to re-import, we need to reconnect. Some sorts of that issues, will cost us a lot of time. But anyway, we can practice the machine if you have enough time, okay? So let me prepare all commands which are going to be executed. Connection refused. Okay, it's working. Now we can run this. Oh, run the command and run the nmap scanning. It's open to and then we can run this command to upload the Alpine image. It's done. Then we can copy the second line. Hopefully this time we can get our privilege escalated. Hopefully. If not, I will give up. But earlier I did the machine. I was successful to get our privilege escalated. The ID, as you can see now, we have already become the root user. Okay, so that's pretty much it. I'd like to see you in the next one. Bye. Please